the blueberry blue chia pudding. We're gonna make it sweet and creamy. I'm gonna add a handful of cashews, 2 dates, a dash of cardamom powder. You're gonna be using 2 cups of almond milk. And in here, you're gonna be doing 1 scoop of the blue spirulina powder. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend. And this is good just as it is, but we're gonna turn this into a delicious chia pudding. So over here, we're gonna do the same thing again. We have our 2 cups of blue chia milk. And a spoon, you're gonna stir it in for about 5 minutes. You wanna let it expand and don't cut corners on this one. Okay, so next I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 1 hour and then we'll come back. Okay, so we pulled the chia seeds out of the fridge and this is the consistency you want. See, that's perfect. So I'm gonna put everything assembled into my cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some blueberries on the bottom, just a couple handfuls. And I'm gonna layer in my chia pudding. I'll go ahead and put another layer of some blueberries, a little bit of granola in there, and some coconut flakes in the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and on top, I'm going to finish it with this delicious blueberry blue chia pudding. I'm going to come in with a little bit of granola, put a little bit of coconut flakes and some almond slivers. And that is absolutely perfecto. I hope you enjoy this one, because I'm about to.